Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A little video on the 3-point curve line, which is underneath your drawing tools. It's normally your freehands at top. You can actually draw straight lines. I'm going to click the left mouse button and hold it down and then click it again. And well, I didn't do a very good straight line. I'm moving it, but you could click on it and make straight lines. But that's not its intention, being the word is 3-point curve line. So let's get the 3-point curve line again. We're already on it. Draw a line and then hold down the shift key. The shift key is going to let you draw a symmetrical curve. And no matter where I put my mouse pointer, it's going to be symmetrical. Now, I don't use that too much, but what I do use is the same 3-point curve line and hold down the control button. The control button does the same thing, but it makes a perfect arch. Even going too far. But that's a perfect arch where that other is just a symmetrical item. Now, when you click on that, right here is this symbol, and it's to close the curve. So you can very easily close the curve of those shapes instead of having to draw a line. So think about that the next time you're using the 3-point curve line. I mean, the main reason I'm going to use it, let's do a 2-point line, make a copy of that and move it over. And then I'm going to get my 3-point curve line, and I'm going to go from that node to that node and then hold down the control button, and I can get pretty much a perfect arch. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas a little bit. Thank you for watching.